An ideal pet door means freedom both for you and your pets. And they're so easy to install. With a little guidance, your pet soon will be able to come and go whenever you want them to in just a matter of minutes. To begin, you'll need to have the following tools. As with any home improvement project, if you do not have the tools or the skills to properly install your pet door, we suggest using a professional handy person or licensed contractor. First, measure your pet's shoulder height using a tape measure. The top of the pet door should be set no lower than this measurement. In fact, we recommend adding 2 inches to this measurement as the correct height for the top of the pet door template. With the door closed, use a pencil to mark the shoulder height dimension plus 2 inches onto the door as close to the center of the door as possible. Make sure that the line is level and straight. Now take the lockout slide and place onto the door as shown, underneath the top pencil line. If in this position the bottom of the slide is less than 4 inches from the bottom of the door, raise the slide until it is. Now draw with the pencil around the template, making sure to keep the template level and vertically straight. Then remove the template. If the guidelines look straight and the position is correct, proceed to the next step. At this point in the installation, we recommend wearing safety glasses. Take the power drill and using the 3/8" drill bit, start to drill out the 4 corner starter holes. Aim to drill within the pencil line as shown here. Drill all 4 of the holes before continuing to the next step. Now insert the jigsaw into the first starter hole and saw along the pencil line as shown until reaching the hole on the other side. Saw along all 4 sides. When complete, gently remove and discard the cutout door material. Wipe the area clean with water or surface cleaner and a paper towel. Next, you'll need the outside frame. This is the one without the flap and has a date on the inside bottom edge. Place the outside frame into the cutout, upright and flush on the outside of the door. Take the other frame and set them into each other until they are both flush against the door. Once the frames are together, hand fit the screws in all 6 places. And then, using the power driver, tighten all the screws without over-tightening. Over-tightening the screws can cause the door to warp, and as this affects performance, we recommend checking to make sure that the screws are not over-tight. Reverse the power driver and back off the screw a little if the frame seems too tight, as shown here. Finally, check the flap for fit and function. Then try fitting the lockout slide into position, making certain that it locks automatically when dropped into place. We always recommend leaving the lockout slide in place to help prevent the unintended use of the pet door by children. Finally, remove the slide and the door is ready for use.